Welcome to my channel. Today's topic computer virus. Data is an important asset of an organization or individual. So, it is very important to protect it from online criminals and viruses. It is important to take preventive measures to protect your system and that data from the viruses that makes physical damage, data loss and hacking. Virus. The term virus stands for Vital Information Resource Under Siege. It is a program or set of programs that disturbs the normal functioning of a computer. The virus infects or destroys the data. It enters a computer without the permission or knowledge of the user. Viruses are self replicating programs that propagate by infecting more and more computer files, thus resulting in the loss of speed and destruction of data. Viruses enter the computer in many ways, such as opening spam mail attachments, using infected CDs, DVDs, USBs, etc., using Bluetooth devices, visiting in malicious website and downloading data from it. Virus symptoms. The computer starts doing things on its own, like moving the cursor all by itself, randomly opening and closing the windows, etc. The computer may shut down and restart frequently. Malfunctioning may be noticed in several applications. Certain drivers on the computer become inaccessible. Chances for error messages. Dialog boxes may appear distorted. The speed of the computer drops. Types of viruses. Boot sector virus. This type of virus infects the boot sector of the hard drive. It becomes active at the time of booting. Example, disk killer, stone virus, brain, etc. Program file virus. This type of virus infects executable files or programs such as those with extensions like .com, .exe, .ovl, .sys, etc. It gets loaded into the memory during the execution. This virus remains active in the memory and infects files and other programs on the disk with the intention of causing permanent damage and making them unreadable. Example, Sunday, Casket, etc. Multi-parted virus. Multi-parted virus is a hybrid of a boot sector and a program file virus. This virus gets inserted into the computer system through some infected media and then resides inside the computer's memory. After that, this virus moves into the hard drive, infects the boot sector, and starts spreading itself throughout the system by infecting the executable files. Examples are Invaders, Flips, Tequila, etc. Macrovirus. This virus infects the files that are created using application software that supports macros such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. A macro is a series of programming steps that allow the automation of many actions with a single keystroke. When the infected document is opened, the macro virus gets loaded into the main memory. Once a macro virus gets active on the computer, every document you produce will become infected. Examples are Melissa, Relax, Bablas, etc. Polymorphic virus. Poly means many, morph means forms. This type of virus exhibits itself in different forms. Every time it infects a file and changes its binary patterns to avoid detection by an antivirus program. These viruses are dangerous as they harm the antivirus of the system. Examples: Elkern, Marbug, Sattenbug, Verloc, Beagle, etc. Network virus. This virus rapidly spreads through a local area network and sometimes through the internet. Generally, network viruses multiply through shared resources, that is, shared drives and folders. When the virus infects a computer, it searches through the network to attack its new potential prey. When the virus finishes infecting that computer, it moves on to the next and the cycle repeats itself. Example, Nimda and SQL Summer, etc. Different forms of virus attack. Malware. The term is made up of two words, malicious and software. It is a term used for such programs that enter into a computer and damage it without the user's knowledge. It will affect a computer's normal functioning and steals important informations. Worms. It is similar to the virus in design and it is considered to be the subclass of virus. It is self-replicating program, so it has a capacity to spread without any human intervention. Blaster worm was a popular computer worm that spreads a Microsoft's operating system. Some other examples are Mapson, Sopic, Morris, etc. Trojan horse. The name Trojan horse has been derived from the wooden horse used by the Greek army. It confuses as a useful software but damages the computer once installed. Trojans have different behaviors like they change the desktop by adding silly desktop icons and it prevents applications from running, especially antivirus applications. Unlike viruses and worms, Trojans do not reproduce by infecting other files or self-replicate. They require human action to run. Examples: Beast, Zeus, Bifrost, etc. Spyware. It is a malicious software. It enters to the system without the knowledge of the user. It collects information from the system and it reveals information to other interested parties. It can collect various types of personal information such as visited web pages, passwords, and even credit card numbers. It has the ability to scan the files on the hard drive, snoop on other applications such as chat programs or word processors. They also sell the information to another party or use it for advertising or marketing purposes. Sometimes they also change the computer settings and it leads to slow speed and incorrect functioning of other programs. Sweepers. It looks like an antivirus program, so user unintentionally downloads it. It comes from a malicious website to install malicious code on the computer. It creates a variety of harmless fake malware files in the computer, which gets automatically started when the user logs into the Windows. Without the user's knowledge, it controls the browsing activity of the user, exchanges system files, etc. Antivirus. It is designed to identify, prevent, and to remove viruses from a computer. It scans the computer files to look for known viruses and tries to remove them instantly. It identifies suspicious behavior of any computer program which might indicate infection. It scans incoming emails which might contain viruses in the attachment. Some of the popular antiviruses are McAfee, AVG Antivirus, Quick Heal, Microsoft Security Essentials, Norton Antivirus, Panda Antivirus, Kaspersky Antivirus, Bitdefender, K7 Endpoint Security, etc. Ways to prevent a virus attack. Install antivirus software and keep it updated. Check your antivirus software that has the potential to detect spyware and malware. If not, you should also install some anti-spyware program on your system. Install a firewall on your system to control the incoming and outgoing network traffic. Always scan the internal storage devices before copying the files. Avoid downloading and installing pirate software from the internet. Scan the downloaded files before opening them. Scan the hard disk twice a month. Take a backup of important files every day. Use the internet and email attachments carefully. Thank you.